How to use RDP in your mobile free. Let's go without waste and time. Open any browser to search Colab Google RDP. Google RDP and search. Click on first link Google collaboration RDPs. collaboresearch.google.com website name. Wait and watch. The website is open. Click on the cancel button. Scroll down. I provide this link in description. So this website is loading now. You can see. Scroll up and click on create user. Run anyway. Scroll down and click this link. Open in new tab and click on begin and click on next button and click on enlarge. Scroll down and click on Linux. This is good for our RDP and click on back button. Our user name is created and I am connected in this tab and paste text on this place and this is our pin to use RDP. You can change this, so I do not change this and I click on run button. Our RDP is creating now. Wait some minutes. Our RDP is creating now. Installing Chrome remote desktop. This provide Google Colab can give serve with 12 GB RAM. Wow, 12 GB RAM and CPU for 12 hours max. This RDP use in our horse 12 hours. ठीक है, you use this RDP 12 hours. Only on 12 hours 1 DP use. After 12 hours you can change this and our RDP is installing now. You saved any data to choose Google Drive and SSH for Nginx. So I do not use these features. I use only on RDP for some works, no for use data. Wait and watch. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Finally, our RDP has successfully installed. Take 4 to 5 minutes for installations. So go and other link remote access, click on button. Our PC has online. Click on the button and add your pin to use PC. 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our pin. Click on next. Our keyboard not work in this RDP. You can use other keypad in this video. Sorry, in this RDP. Click on use cafes and click on browser. Our browser has installed and get started. Wow, our RDP is very fast working. And click on next. Our browser has installed in this RDP, so I checked speed, internet speed. So I search how to use keyboard in this RDP. Wait and watch. I search fast.com to check internet speed. Wow, very nice speed, amazing. So how to use keyboard in this RDP? Open the Play Store and search Hacker Keypad. Hacker, Hacker, Hacker Keyboard. First keyboard install and open. Enable keyboard. Click on this button and enable the keyboard. So this is off. Click on button and active. And click on back button. Input language. You use any language in this keyboard. Set method. Set input method. Click on this button and click on Hacker Keyboard. After select and click on setting button. Scroll down and click on key layout option. Always show. Click on this button. Always show. This is keyboard is ready to use in RDP. So I go on this browser and so you can see our keyboard has showed in this RDP. You use any text and click on send button and our PC is ready in your mobile. This is good features. You can use any keyboard with OTG option. So I use this keyboard in this video for use RDP. So our RDP is ready and this is working. Bye.